Watch AI create a fleet inventory and procurement dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our fleet data into Bricks. Simply upload your spreadsheet and watch as our AI instantly processes the information. The data is imported and ready to transform. Now we click Create Dashboard and let Bricks AI work its magic. The system is analyzing our fleet inventory data, identifying key metrics like stock levels, vendor relationships, and usage patterns. It's automatically generating the most relevant visualizations for fleet management. The AI is creating charts for inventory values, vendor distributions, and daily usage trends across ships. It's building tables for high-value items and low stock alerts. This intelligent analysis happens in real time, selecting the perfect chart types and organizing everything into a cohesive dashboard layout. Our fleet inventory and procurement dashboard is complete with 7 dynamic charts and 2 essential data tables. Let's customize the appearance by switching to a professional theme that matches your brand. Now, we'll enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view eliminates distractions and highlights your data insights. Every chart remains fully interactive, allowing you to drill down into specific metrics during presentations. You can hover over data points, filter information, and explore details without leaving presentation mode. Back to edit mode, you can scroll through your dashboard, modify layouts, and add new visualizations as your fleet data evolves. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.